Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an honest review of the Motion app in 2025. If you have been looking for a smart productivity tool that handles the scheduling, task management, and project planning all in one, Motion might already be on your radar. But is it worth the hype? In this video, I'll break down the pros, cons, pricing, and everything you need to know before deciding if Motion is right for you. And for now, let's get started. What is Motion? So, what exactly is Motion? Motion is an AI powered productivity app designed to automatically plan your day. And instead of manually blocking out time for tasks and meetings, Motion's algorithm creates a smart schedule for you. It syncs with your calendar, organizes to do lists, and even reschedules tasks if something unexpected comes up. In short, it's like having a personal assistant that never gets tired. Pros. Now, let's start with the pros. Number one, AI scheduling. Motion takes the stress out of planning by automatically arranging tasks, meetings, and breaks. This is perfect for busy professionals and teams. Calendar plus task integration. And instead of bouncing between multiple apps, Motion combines your calendar and task manager into one simple dashboard. Time blocking made easy. For those who follow time blocking or deep work methods, Motion does the heavy lifting. It finds the best blocks of time for focused work. Great for teams. If you work with a team, Motion helps assign tasks, track projects, and avoid scheduling conflicts. Mobile and desktop support. Whether you are on the go or at your desk, Motion syncs across devices seamlessly. Overall, Motion shines when it comes to saving time and reducing decision fatigue. You just focus on the work, and the app handles the planning. Cons. Of course, as we all know, nothing is perfect. Here are the cons you should consider. Number one, the price. Motion is more expensive than any other productivity apps. Individual plans start at around $34 per month, which may be steep for casual users. Learning curve. The automation is powerful, but it can feel overwhelming at first. You need to trust the AI and adjust your workflow. Limited customization. While Motion is smart, it doesn't always give you as much manual flexibility as traditional planners. Internet reliance. Since it is cloud based, Motion requires a stable internet connection. Offline functionality is pretty limited. So if you prefer total manual control or want something lightweight, Motion might not be the best fit. Pricing. Pricing in 2025 is still one of the biggest barriers. The individual plan costs about $34 per month, and the team plan is $20 per user per month. While that is pricey compared to apps like Todoist or Notion, Motion is selling convenience, automated scheduling, and time savings. Who is it for? So, who should use Motion? It is best suited for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and professionals juggling lots of meetings and tasks. If you are someone who wastes time deciding what to do next, Motion can be a game changer. But if your schedule is simple and you just need a basic to do list, there are cheaper alternatives. Final verdict. To wrap it up, Motion is a powerful productivity tool with smart AI scheduling that truly saves time. The downside is its cost and the need to adapt to its workflow. If you value automation and efficiency, it's worth trying. But if you are budget conscious or prefer a traditional planner, you might want to look elsewhere. And that is it for my honest review of Motion in 2025. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new review.